Have you ever wondered how some businesses maximize their profits without raising their prices? Would you like to discover the secrets to reducing expenses without sacrificing quality? In this video, we will reveal simple yet effective strategies that will help you save money and improve your profitability. Stay with us and transform the way you manage your business finances. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to maximize your business profits by reducing expenses. Let's get started. The first step in maximizing your business profits by reducing expenses is understanding exactly where your money is going. This might sound straightforward, but it's surprising how many businesses overlook this critical step. Let's dive into how you can thoroughly evaluate your current expenses. Start by gathering all your financial statements, invoices, and receipts from the past 6 months to a year. Create a detailed list of every single expense, no matter how small it might seem. This includes fixed costs like rents and utilities, as well as variable costs like supplies and marketing expenses. Once you have your list, categorize each expense. Common categories include office supplies, salaries, rent, utilities, marketing, and subscriptions. Breaking down your expenses into categories helps you see where the bulk of your money is going. Now analyze each category. Ask yourself, do I really need this expense? Is there a cheaper alternative? For instance, if you are spending a lot on office supplies, consider buying in bulk or switching to a more affordable supplier. If marketing costs are high, evaluate the return of investment for each marketing channel. Are you getting enough leads or sales to justify the cost? Are you paying for subscriptions you no longer use or that you didn't know you were paying? Reviewing and adjusting these small details can make a big difference. I have a client for whom I manage the bookkeeping. I organized his transactions so he could clearly see a detailed profit and loss report as well as the balance sheet. I categorized each subscription he was paying for, and upon reviewing the report, he discovered several unused subscriptions. We decided to cancel these unnecessary expenses. This situation is quite common. We often use our credit cards for various platforms like Google Ads, Gmail, or software services, and over time, we forget about them. As a result, we end up paying for services we no longer use. That's why I strongly recommend to my clients and any business owner to invest in a dedicated finance department or hire a bookkeeper. A professional bookkeeper can meticulously track your finances and provide valuable insights and advice on a monthly basis. We do this. You can check our bookkeeping plans in our website. The next step is to optimize the resources you already have. Sometimes we don't need more resources. We just need to use the ones we have better. Do you have employees with free time? You could assign them new tasks or projects. Are you using your physical space to its fullest? Maybe you can reorganize it to make it more efficient. For instance, you might consider hiring talent overseas, where labor costs are often significantly lower than in the United States, yet the quality of work remains high. Many outsourcing companies specialize in helping businesses recruit and hire employees abroad, making the process smooth and efficient. By outsourcing, you can potentially hire a skilled worker for half the cost of a similar employee in the US, while still maintaining the same standards of quality and productivity. I have a client who made the strategic decision to relocate certain positions overseas, where they hire a full-time resource for $800 a month without compromising on quality. By retaining only essential positions in the United States, the business operations were streamlined and expenses were significantly reduced. Also, something as simple as using free software instead of paying for expensive licenses can significantly impact your expenses. Another area where you can save is operational costs. This includes things like energy consumption, paper, and other office supplies. Small changes like using LED lights, printing less, or even working remotely can add up big savings. Consider remote work or flexible workspaces. By allowing employees to work from home or from a shared workspace, you can potentially reduce the need for large office spaces, cutting down on rent and utility costs. This not only saves money but can also increase employee satisfaction and productivity. And don't forget the importance of technology. Sometimes an initial investment in efficient technology can reduce costs in the long run. To summarize, reducing operational costs involves optimizing energy consumption, managing office supplies efficiently, maintaining and evaluating equipment and software, considering remote work and flexible workspaces, streamlining your supply chain. By making these changes, you can significantly reduce your operational costs, freeing up resources to invest in other areas of your business. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar that can be reinvested to drive growth and profitability. Involve your team in the process. Often, your employees have great ideas on how to save money because they are in the day-to-day operations of the business. Foster a culture of saving and efficiency. Small suggestions can lead to big changes. For example, they might suggest ways to improve internal processes. Listen to them. There you have it. Reducing expenses doesn't mean sacrificing quality or efficiency. It's about being smarter with the resources you already have. Evaluate, optimize, negotiate, reduce, and most importantly, involve your team. We hope these tips are helpful and help you maximize your profits. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave us a comment with your own strategies for reducing expenses. We would love to hear from you. See you next time.